Hi, welcome to Team Healthcare Wizards. Our team consists of 4 members: Miles Shipman, Alan Nichols, June Park, and Vin Lee. Before we dive deep into the presentation, I would like to give a brief recap of our project. For our project, we are designing a heart rhythm analysis tool. The purpose of this tool is to monitor a patient's heart rhythm and detect any signs of atrial fibrillation. Here is a snapshot of our screen prototype. At a high level, our architecture pattern is pipe and filter. The reason for our decision is that since the expected behavior of this application is fairly linear, maintainability and extensibility should be provided by design. Pipe and filter pattern is considerably a leaner architecture pattern, thus it would be a good fit for our program. Also, it's easy to implement, maintain, and reuse that allows developers and designers to understand the overall input-output behavior of a system in terms of individual filter. This application will be built with Bootstrap on Tomcat web server. Therefore, JavaScript with jQuery library will be the main development language. To provide group development, GitHub will be used as a version control, and Maven will be used as a build manager system. In addition, jQuery will be used to communicate with the GT Fire server over RESTful web service to upload/download analysis data to Fire.
Because we are building a web-based application, one of our core utilities will be our server. To handle our website, we will be using the Georgia Tech Prism complex, which allows Georgia Tech students the ability to publish personal websites. However, due to the limitations of the Prism system, our application will rely on static HTML pages with JavaScript and CSS. To assist in the displaying of EKG data in an appearance that is familiar and useful to both physicians and clients, we will be utilizing the JavaScript library DataDrive Documents, also known as D3JS. This library is extremely useful for visualizing data using modern web standards. As shown throughout this class, interoperability remains a massive hurdle for the medical technology and medical community to overcome in order to be successful. If this app was ever released into the public, it would be compatible with all 9 ECG/EKG data formats. However, due to time limitations, we will only be focusing on one data format. Due to the limited availability of ECG data, we will be using data from physionet.org, which uses a specialized program to convert SCP ECG data into a specific PhysioBank compatible format for storage. We will be using PhysioBank's conversion tool to convert that storage into text files. And these text files will represent our heart rhythms for analyzing in our program.
Here is a slide of our Gantt chart showing the resources for our team.